Dumako naman tayo dito sa mga disadvantages ng pagiging isang seaman. Number 1, long periods away from your family and your loved ones, on which you are going to miss those special events like birthdays, reunions, graduations. Pangalawa, the health risks associated with the job. Siyempre patungkol yan sa mga pagkain na kinakain natin at yung limited time natin for exercising and physical activity. Pangatlo, exposure to extreme weather conditions like pag inaalon ka or napupunta ka sa lugar kung saan napakainit at napupunta ka rin sa lugar kung saan napakalamig. Pang-apat, limited access to medical care while at sea. Remember mga katripulans, wala tayong doktor sa barko. Panglima, the highly demanding and stressful nature of the job on which we are going to experience some inspections like port state control inspections, vetting inspections, and adhering to different international regulations. So ayan mga katripulans, yan ang mga disadvantages na pagiging seaman. Sabi nga, it takes a gentleman to be a seaman because it requires dedication, hard work, and discipline. So I hope nakatulong to sa inyo mga katripulans, and see you on my next vlog.